Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I wanted to make a video where I show you exactly what I eat in a day. I know that if you have been on social media, if you've been reading the news, you're hearing a lot of good, positive things about the ketogenic diet, the high fat, low carb lifestyle. There are so many benefits to it. But when you're first trying to transition from the standard American diet, which is carb and sugar heavy, to the keto lifestyle, which is really a ton of fat, like a ton of your daily calories every day are going to come from fat, that can seem pretty tricky. So I just wanted to make this short video to show you exactly what I eat in a sample day, to let you see how easy it really is to get your macros right, to get into ketosis, and to stay there. Once you get there, you're going to feel so amazing that you're going to forget all about carbs and sugar. And even if you don't forget all about carbs and sugar, we basically have keto versions of all of your favorite carby treats. So hope that this helps. Thanks for being here, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, so this is a drink that we made up. It is called Mermaid Tears, and it is better than any Starbucks Frappuccino, and it's also way, way better for you. It's 8 ounces of cold brew coffee. You take 8 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, a couple cubes of ice, and then you blend it with Keto OS, exogenous ketones chocolate swirl, and 1 packet of keto cream. It is delicious, and it has collagen, fat, ketones, everything you need to get started. Get your day off to a great start. Second meal of the day is a super easy tuna salad served in half of an avocado with some sunflower seeds. This meal is so good, so quick. The hardest part of this meal is timing your avocados so that they're perfectly ripe. But other than that, it's just mixing a little bit of mayonnaise. I topped it with a little bit of pepper. We're actually having tacos tonight, so this is my ground chuck, and then I made this taco seasoning. I just whipped it up with red pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, onion powder, oregano, cumin, salt, and paprika. I also have some Mexican cheese that I'm baking. Those are gonna be taco shells for our taco dinner. If you've never had tacos in a cheese shell, you are missing out. This was the best taco ever. I topped it with the other half of my avocado from lunch, and then chopped up a little bit of fresh romaine with some sriracha ranch dressing on top. It was a delicious meal. I am a total chocoholic, so I normally end my day with some sort of little sweet treat. This Choco Love bar dipped in almond butter is really tasty and hits the spot.